guys, hey, welcome back. Some exciting just arrived today. Valentine's is coming up. Figured surprise my wife. Well, she kind of knew it was coming, but she wanted a mixer. She's been baking a lot. She asked for a mixer, and after a couple hour research, I decided to go with this brand, ZACME. The KitchenAid was kind of expensive, so we kind of passed that up, we kind of didn't go with that. But the ZACME, it's 600 watt. It comes with several attachments, some paddles, and some other things I don't really know about, but So we decided to go with this model because it has 600 watt. It's all metal casting, and it doesn't use a belt, and it's quiet. From the review, it's pretty quiet. The other one we're gonna go with, it was cheaper, but then once I did some review, it's loud. Because you don't want a kitchen sound like a machinery that's a production factory, right? So let's open this and see what's all in it. From the review, it actually looks pretty reliable, pretty quiet. It's 5.5 quart, so it's a large mixer. They range from 2 quarts to 5 quarts to even larger 8 quart. And this brand, they even have a large one that goes up to 8 quarts. And that one was a little bit more expensive, about $75, but it was even quieter than this one. But for what the wife is doing, I think this is perfect. It's about 22.6 pounds. So it's heavy, but not too bad to, lift this stuff here around. And we want something small so it'll fit in one of these cabinets. So that's what we want, something small, but something big enough to mix everything. So first thing you want to look at is, does it have any direction where you want to open it? Because sometimes you want to open it on a certain end. But as you can see, look at this thing. It even has an LED light. She can see while she's baking or mixing. No more mess around the table. Look, there's even dial knobs. It's so high tech. All metal casting. So let's see, 8 speed. Look at that, 8 speed. And it's white. It comes in black too, I believe. Black color, but we decided to go white because white doesn't show up as dirty as black. Black, you touch it a little bit, gets all dirty. Remember, when you use scissors, cut it away from you. All right. First thing we got, instruction manual, and then I'm gonna put this back down here on the floor. Open it. Look, you hear that? It's so satisfying. Sliding right out. Okay, so that was the top. So I'm gonna flip this side. There, all the attachment that comes with it. Look at this. Wow, this ain't no joke. This is, you hear that? This is real die casting right here. This is not plastic. You can not splat out with this thing. Let me put this over here. It's so heavy, I'm gonna put plastic on there so it won't scratch the countertop. I know the countertop's not marble or anything, but so what's this here? Look at this. Wow, this is a hook. I don't think KitchenAid, do they come with attachment this nice though?
Yes.
It does? Oh wow, okay. But this is very nice. Look at the chrome on this, the polish, the quality of this. I'm a guy, I'm gonna get excited about this too. I'm getting very excited. Okay. Oh. Alright, what's this here? This looks like it's a cover, right? so when you mix it won't spill everywhere or splatter everywhere. Nice. Here's the grand prize here. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, it's metal casting. I was worried it's gonna be plastic. Again, I did my research and it's all metal casting, so let me see how you take this out here. I don't want to damage it. Oh, nice. Look at it. Put on a kitchen counter. It kind of reminds me of a sewing machine, you know? Oh, wow. Beautiful. It looks like a futuristic mixer, you know? Wait. You hear that? The soothing sound. Let's just turn the dial knob. Let me turn on the light for you guys can see more. Isn't that beautiful? Nice. Look at this. Let me see how you lift this up. It looks like when you lift this up, press this. I'm gonna break this here. Ah, oh, you hear that? That was very satisfying also. It slided really smooth. Wow. I'm impressed with this kitchen appliance because usually the ones that we have or ones I've seen before, they're like really cheap, like designed really poor. But this is actually really nice for the price. Paid about $150, I believe. Look, you hear that? Metal casting. So let's plug it in here. I think I plug it in again. This is 600 watt, 5.5 quart. It has an LED light. It has, I believe, a timer built in here. So let's plug it in and check it out. And the thing is, you gotta watch here. This thing, the motor and the gear is actually all metal. No belt, all gear driven, metal gear driven. We wanted, well, I chose this because I wanted it to last quite a bit because, you know, mixing can wear the machine out. And I didn't want to go with the belt because the belt is gonna, you know, you're gonna ruin the belt or the belt's gonna get worn out. Eventually replace the belt. But this even has a locking mechanism in it. Oh, really nice. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see here. It's like so high tech. Maybe you turn on by your phone or what? I don't know. Where you turn it on at? Ah, look at that. You see that LED light in there? Oh, look at that. If I turn this on, this is off right now. I don't know if you can see that. Off. And that is power on. And then this is the speed. Oh, hear that sound? It's so quiet. I can actually work in my office while my wife bakes in the kitchen. I won't be able to hear anything. Let's turn on speed 2. Still quiet. Let's do 3. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna go up to 8 here. Oh my God, yeah, that's kind of too fast. There's your timer. And every time you turn on, automatic LED turns on. Very nice, very wood. I like this knob. It's simplicity. But yeah, I do recommend it. I know we haven't baked anything, but from the quality, the sound, and just the feel of it, and the texture design of it, I recommend this machine. If you're looking for a mixer, I highly recommend it. Or if you want to go something cheaper than KitchenAid, this is the brand to go.